Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you through how to perform a front flip in Skate 4. This relatively simple trick can add some impressive style to your skating repertoire, and with the right technique, you'll be landing it consistently in no time. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to gain sufficient air. Look for a suitable ramp or jump that provides enough height to complete the rotation. The higher you go, the more time you'll have to execute the flip properly. Once you're airborne, it's crucial to press the LT button. This activates the game's advanced trick mechanics. Make sure you're already in the air when pressing LT, as attempting to initiate this while still on the ground simply won't register correctly. With LT held down, push both joysticks forward simultaneously. This directional input specifically triggers the front flip animation. The timing here is particularly important, ensuring you've pressed LT first and then moving the joysticks in one smooth motion will result in a clean rotation. If you're finding the trick difficult to land, pay close attention to your timing. The most common issue new players face is attempting to initiate the flip too early or too late. For optimal results, press LT at the peak of your jump, then immediately push the joysticks forward. For those looking to add some personal flair, you can experiment with different joystick directions to create variations of this trick. Try pushing one stick forward and one to the side for a diagonal flip, or explore other combinations to develop your unique style. And there you have it. You've now learned how to perform a front flip in Skate 4. With some practice, this impressive aerial maneuver will become second nature. If you find this video useful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.